from Bangkok, Thailand. Let's have a look. A little bit of haze off in the distance, but not bad. The haze comes with the territory. It's cool season coming on. Some will know that I've only recently returned to Bangkok and had a look around in the last couple of vids. Surprising signs of life. So what's next? As you can see, I'm packing a bag again, and I'll be going down to Hua Lamphong railway station. I hope you'll join me off the rails. Stick around. Let's go.
Next station, Assam, interchange with MRT.
โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถหัวลำโพง Station
Dear passengers, MRT Blue Line and Purple Line offer further
ใหม่ๆเอาเลยครับใหม่ๆร้อนๆเลยครับเลยไหมครับข้าวมาแล้วครับเสบียงไม่
First thing you see when you come to Lopburi? The monkey. You'll be seeing a lot more too before this weekend's out. Let's go. The Ling, capital of Thailand. Ling being monkey.
There was some question as to whether the beggar or his minky was breaking the law.
Minky?
But
You said minky.
that is correct, yes. Chimpanzee minky.
I think if I was to do this trip again, I would just go third class it. You don't need air. It's such a short trip. It's only less than 3 hours. And right now it's not very hot. And actually, it's cooled off quite a bit in the last week or so. Why is that monkey pointing at me? Okay, so I haven't even left the train station yet and it's already beautiful. Look at this. Fantastic. We'll do a lot of exploring this weekend, so we'll see these and more upcoming. I'm not sure if I'm reading that correctly, but this says locomotive number 161, put in service 1873. It's covered, I can't really see. Can that be right? To 1967. Wow. Okay, let's find Noom Guesthouse where I'm staying. Let's go. What? Prasri Ratana Mahatat. I'm probably good at getting that all wrong, but we'll definitely have a look here tomorrow. I just love the feel of this little town so far. Absolutely love it. Like a night market getting going here. Come back here later as well. Apparently this guest house is right beside the train station and beside this night market, so it should be perfect. You can tell it's cooler right now because everyone's got a jacket on. The dog looks chill. Definitely have to come back here later. What do you have? I'm just guessing, but I'm thinking that that temple at the end of the street is where Monkey Central is. We'll definitely be checking that out. So, night market, train station, that way. Noom's guest house, that way. Night market, right next door. There's Noom's right there, right beside Daily Donuts. How handy is that? Here are Noom's. 4 minutes away as advertised. A couple people in there. Pool table, motorbike rental. Noom's. That's a nice ride. Look at the shocks on that. Right, let's check in. First impressions? I like. Taco Tuesday. How you doing? Come on. Come on. Liking that fridge. What do you got? Nice place. Monkeys ever come here?
Not much. Not much.
Not much.
Yeah, but they stay there. In the monkey temples and that road, that side. Some here. See on the roof.
Oh yeah, I see on the roof there. Okay.
Now we are here in Guesthouse. We are living at the old town. The old town is really small. You can go by walk. And the map is like this. Now we are here. Number 8 and 9 Monkey Temples. It's just here.
Where's the train station? Oh, I see.
Train station here.
Right.
Close.
Okay.
Number 1 Nalai Palace and the museum. This one means this road.
Okay.
Straight here to the palace. Number 15, just here, very big old temple. And the number show here, where the place is.
Okay, and the monkey?
Monkey temple number 8 and 9.
I was right, okay.
Yeah. If you want to go monkey temples, you be careful everything, right? Because monkey very fast. They can see it.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Burger.
Hamburger?
Yes.
Not hot dog, hamburger.
No,
Okay.
Hamburger.
Hamburger, okay. Nice and quiet back here. Very quaint. I like. Quick look at the room before I mess it up. Aircon. Good sized bed. Some sitting area. Tea, coffee, fridge. And the Hong Nam. Bathroom. Hot shower. The usual. Looks alright. No complaints. I like this place. Oh, TV. Aircon. Did I already say that? Perfect. Churai cup.
ชื่อเมนโล
Minlo.
เมนโล
Very happy looking pooch. Okay, let's see what's going on. Very convivial little place. Spaghetti, 85. Burger, 160. Pretty good. Real drop, 55. Kind of like that. No dogs starving around here. Oh, very nice.
อร่อยด้วยมีเชฟ
Thank you. Oh, red curry coconut. It's pretty good. Okay, last pit stop. 7. Okay, a little 7-Eleven shopping for the morning. Hey, exactly 1 minute later, back at Noom's. Almost looks like a regular night. Great to see. All kinds of people here. Good. And the entrance is just on the side. And back at the room. I'm beat. Hunting and gathering done. That's my breakfast ready for tomorrow. So that's it for this one. Lots more to come though. So thanks for coming along. We'll see you in the next one. Good night.
She's my what?
Just how amazing is this place? Everywhere you look. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil. If you want a taste of Tomb Raider, come to Lopburi. Monkey jump me, take a selfie. People ride all the way from Bangkok on this special train just to see it go across this lake. Pitch your tent, bring a couple of friends, bottle of Sang-som. Wow, just wow.